So today we're going to be talking about the demo of Subway modular environment. And we're going to look at this subway. So like they have something set up a little quick here for everyone to see. It's 36 seconds. Oh, I like that. I saw the drip in the water. Oh, looks like they have a little door back there. Oh, nice. Has a lot in here. It's a big package. Very nice. Okay. So it looks like this is a very nice subway. Realistic, especially with everything that's happening in New York with the subway. This is a good package. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to look at the reviews real quick on this particular package. Are there any reviews? It doesn't like this has any reviews on it. Huh, not enough ratings. Okay, well, I guess I'll be the first one to review this package. Okay, so I'm inside of Unity with this very nice Subway package. I'm going to review the demo. So let me click on the game tab. I went ahead and added the 3D character, but I do want to tell you something on this particular package. Excuse me, in the hotkey, I'm going to click on floor, the floor station. And in the inspector, you will have to put the default layer because at first it didn't have anything in the layer. So of course the player couldn't land on the floor. So you definitely want to put that on the default layer. I want to show you something at the top. Just really cool. They have this landing here at the top, which I thought was really nice. So you can build around this, and it could really be inside of New York. Okay, let me go ahead and start this. I went ahead and put a third head and put this particular uh, player in here, and I downloaded with the free assets. So let's go ahead and let me click play. Okay, looks like he landed on the ground. Okay, let me go down here to the subway. I like this, very nice. Okay, got a can, got some benches, and got a nice caution door, don't go through. And it's a nice vending machine, cold drinks. Now I know I can use that asset in other things. And I can use this music sound thing. But I can always change it to something different. Oh, got another free asset, a nice fire hydrant. All pluses and more pluses and pluses. Look at this, a nice little concession stand to take the tickets. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue down the stairs. I'm not gonna pay for my ticket. I'm just gonna hop in here. I'm bound. I didn't pay for my ticket. Let me go downstairs. Okay. Nice. Okay. This reminds me. Oh, okay. Now look, you see the floor on the train. I also need to put uh, a box trigger on this particular one. A box collider. I apologize. A box collider on here, so I won't go through the floor like that. I will have to do that. But that reminds me of that rat that had jumped on the subway train. See that? I went right through the. I'm gonna have to do that. Oh, look at! I like the wet floor. Very nice, and it has a very nice bucket to catch the water. Oh, I need to move it over to catch the water. Very nice. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, very nice. It's got caution. Isn't that realistic? It's got a little room back there. Huh. Oh, it's not gonna let me. It's got a collider on there. I can't. I can't check that out. I didn't see that. Look at the little barrels and stuff. Nice. Wow. This is a very nice thing. You can use this for so many different things. I am impressed. I like it. Uh oh. Okay, so let's as always, let's go ahead and let's add a character in this particular. And there's also a room I wanted to show you. I didn't see it before. I don't know why. Yeah. I don't. Huh. Oh, it's. I think it's that's. Yeah, that's what happened. It's on. Oh, look at the smoke. Now I didn't get to show you. Look at that smoke that's coming out. I did not notice that before. I was like a fire or something. Nice. Hmm. Very good. I like it. Very realistic. So let me go ahead and go into this. Look at this right here. It has a phone, the emergency call. And this is the room. Oh no, we can't go in there. It's got a block on it. I have to take that block off so we can go into the room. Get a skateboard. Let's look at this room real quick. Oh, nice. This, I don't know why I have never noticed this room. There goes the cubes, the barrels, the gas. Look at the shelves. Oh, look at that. Still use this in other stuff as well. I like this. It's very nice. Oh, I love that. Can you imagine like a hidden object or something? You're trying to find something? No, not that chest. This chest. Find the object in this chest or whatever. This is really nice. Bravo on this room. I love that. All right. I really like this asset, and I hope this is something someone needs. It's a real nice asset. All right. Well, I hope everybody has a great day.